Welcome to Gastown, a charming and historic neighborhood located in the heart of Vancouver, Canada. Join us as we take you on a journey through our unforgettable day exploring this vibrant and unique destination. Our adventure begins at Waterfront Station, where we embarked on a leisurely stroll towards Gastown. The bustling energy of the city surrounded us as we made our way through the lively streets. Gastown is known for its eclectic array of shops, each offering a glimpse into the neighborhood's creative spirit. We couldn't resist exploring the charming boutiques, art galleries, and specialty stores, all brimming with one of a kind treasures. No visit to Gastown is complete without a stop at the famous steam clock. Intricate design and rhythmic steam powered chimes captured our attention as we marveled at this iconic landmark, capturing memories that will last a lifetime. From there, we continued our journey wandering around the captivating Flatiron Building. This historic structure stands as a testament to Gastown's rich history and architectural beauty, providing a stunning backdrop for our adventure. As we explored further, we couldn't help but be enchanted by the lively streets and the friendly faces, both locals and fellow visitors. Gastown's vibrant atmosphere truly makes you feel like you're part of this captivating story. Finally, our day came to a delicious end at the old spaghetti factory, a beloved Gastown institution. With its warm ambience and mouth-watering dishes, we savored every moment, reflecting on the incredible experiences we had throughout the day. And so our journey through Gastown, Vancouver's historic gem, came to an end. From its charming shops and landmarks to its welcoming spirit, this neighborhood left an indelible mark on our hearts. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into our adventure and that it would inspire you to explore this remarkable corner of the world for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more travel and exploration videos. Until next time, happy travels.